I'm Chef Philip, and we're cooking up delicious, healthy chicken stuffed with quinoa, caramelized shallots, asparagus, and almonds. It's fantastic. Let's get started, shall we? The first thing we have to do is we have to prepare the quinoa. So you grab a saucepan, you add the olive oil, and you start caramelizing the shallots and garlic. Then you add the quinoa to it. You stir it a little bit, and you toast that. Every time you toast something like that, it adds extra flavor and nuttiness. It's awesome. Once you start to smell it, and you can smell that toastiness going on, we can add the stock to this next. Put a cover on it and let it simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes until the quinoa starts to open up, kind of flours, if you will. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to pound out the chicken. We're going to get that ready to go. I love this technique. I can't wait to show it to you. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we have a clean area. We have to have a cutting board. We have to have a knife just in case we need to trim anything. We have to have the mallet, and you always want the kind of mallet that doesn't have the little spikes at the end. You want it to be flat. And if you don't have a mallet, you can always use the bottom of a saucepan. What I like to do to keep it nice and clean is we're going to take the chicken breast, we're going to put it inside of a plastic Ziploc bag. That protects it from all the juices splattering all over the place. It's a good sanitary measure. So we're going to take the flat end of the mallet and we're going to pound it out until it's an even thinness. If it starts to rip a little bit, just be careful and just try to work around it. Once you have it all done, you can take it out of the plastic bag. And we've got some aluminum foil that we've already made about 3 times the size of the chicken itself. We're going to place the chicken on top of that, and then we're going to take our yummy, amazing quinoa mixture that has the asparagus, caramelized shallots, and almonds. We're going to place this in the bottom third of the chicken. We're going to fold in each end like a burrito, like 1 inch on each side. We're going to roll it up. Then we're going to roll up the aluminum foil around it nice and tight, just like you'd get a burrito. We have a preheated 425-degree oven. We're going to place it inside the oven now. It takes about 25 minutes. And when it comes out, it's going to smell amazing and juicy. Then we're going to take the chicken and we're going to have a saute pan. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil to it. And we're going to brown it. We're going to remove it from the aluminum foil. We're going to place it in the hot saute pan. And we're going to let that cook and get caramelized and nice and brown. Once that's done, we want it to let it rest for a few seconds. I actually prefer a few minutes. For every half a pound of meat, you want to let it rest for about 5 to 10 more minutes to let those juices redistribute so you don't have a dry chicken breast. I like to cut mine on a bias. It's really nice looking. Then we can just put it on a pretty plate, serve it up. I like to serve it with maybe some extra quinoa, that healthy goodness, maybe a little drizzle of olive oil. This is a spectacular dish. I'm Chef Philip Dell, and we just cooked healthy chicken stuffed with quinoa, caramelized shallots, toasted almonds, and asparagus. You've got to try it.